Addressing the nation's infrastructure deficit is one of the major undertakings of the Buhari presidency since coming to power in 2015. Provision of critical infrastructure, the government believes, is key towards achieving its objectives of taking Nigeria to the next level of socio-economic development. And for this to be realized, Abuja, the nation's capital, must continue to have a fair share. Therefore, for the second time in 2 weeks, funds have been approved for the FCT for the provision of roads infrastructure. 2.3 billion naira is to be expended on the rehabilitation of the road leading to the Federal Integrated Staff Housing Estate in Apo Tafia area of Abuja.
The second infrastructure project relates to the contract for the construction of an access road and car park for the Abuja Light Rail Station at Ring Road 2, otherwise known as Kukuaba Station. The intention is that by the opening of that road, that railway station will be made functional, and then commuters can use the station either when they visit the national park there or when they want to have access to the Kukuaba district.
3.6 billion naira is earmarked for the project, while 373.4 million naira will be utilized for the purchase of 2 heavy-duty tow vehicles with mounted cranes for the Directorate of Road Traffic Services, otherwise referred to as the VIO. 2 other procurement memos presented by the Minister of Health were also approved by the Council towards upgrading as well as upscaling the capacity of NAFDAC in the execution of its mandate, particularly in detecting fake and substandard drugs as well as other materials.
First memo was about 40 true scan devices, which are mobile scan devices, to be able to recognize fake and substandard drugs brought in either across the border or found within the country. The second memo is about laboratory strengthening, improving and upgrading all the laboratories we have in the country, about 6 laboratories for NAFDAC, for testing materials that are brought into the country. Both of these contribute strongly to what we call the benchmarks for the NAFDAC to be able to allow the manufacture of vaccines in Nigeria.
Nigeria, the minister said, has an ambition to start manufacturing vaccines and getting NAFDAC's laboratory capacity upscaled with the ability to speed up and make diagnostics more accurate in respect of fake and substandard drugs is a critical condition. From the State House, Adamu Sambu, NTA News.